Hey class, this is Bradley Bush. I'm your online instructor at South Mountain Community College for Math 151, Fall 2019. Here's a brief summary of the syllabus to help you get going. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, ping me, sign up for a Mind, and text me, or we can video conference. I've got a lot of ways to get a hold of me. I've got some of them here. Here's my email, my office, my phone, and my office hours Monday, Wednesday from 9 to 11:30 or by appointment. Feel free to talk to me anytime that you have a question. I'm happy to discuss things with you. So there's no book for the course. You just have to pay for my Math Lab access. The course code for my Math Lab is this right here, Bush 36016. Just a little plug for other videos that I have. The My Math Lab one is a repost of a previous semester because nothing changes, just the code here. So the course setup that is discussed in my Math Lab in the video that I'm sending out on the first day of class is identical to our class. You just need to use this code here, Bush 36016, instead of the code that's in the video. You need to have a functioning and reliable computer connection with internet and a webcam and microphone. That's important. If you don't, then maybe this isn't the right class, and I would look to find a class that's in person. Here's some course competencies. I'll let you look at those. Last day to withdraw on your own without talking to me is Sunday, October 6th. After that, you can withdraw. You just have to have me do it for you. Graphing calculators are required. If you have one, great. If you don't, I wouldn't buy it. I would just rent it. You can go to the SES building, the Student Enrollment Services, pay them $10, and then take the receipt over to LRC, and they'll give you a calculator for the semester. $10 is cheap, much cheaper than buying one. I think they're probably $100 or $200. So that's kind of a big investment if you're not going to use it a lot. The attendance policy, if I don't have you submit an assignment or a quiz or an exam within a 2-week period, then I have to withdraw you. So the attendance is pretty serious. And this is not here, but this is over across the board at South Mountain. If we don't see people, they kind of fall off the bandwagon and we don't hear from them. We're supposed to withdraw them if nothing happens on their end within a 2-week period. So please be mindful of that. Please keep in touch with me. If you have issues, please reach out and we can discuss them. Cheating is an important one. If you cheat, you fail the class, period. I have a no tolerance policy on that. Please don't cheat. Here's some more stuff. I'll let you read the details. Here's the grade breakdowns. That's usually a pretty important thing for students. Final exams were 20, homework were 25, quizzes were 25%, and exams there were 30%. And the letter grades are as follows there on the right. The final exam is required. It's proctored. Some of the things are proctored, some of them are not. So it's clearly stated in the syllabus which ones are proctored and which ones aren't. The final exam is proctored, so that means you must come to the testing center on campus at South Mountain or take it at home using a third-party proctoring service that's free to you, and it's done in Canvas. The details are there. You can look over them. Homework 25%. This is not proctored. It can be done anywhere you have an internet connection, and it's in my Math Lab. We have unlimited attempts to do a problem until the due date, and homework is due once a week on Sundays at midnight. Quizzes, there are 5 of them, each worth 5%. You can take each quiz up to 3 times before the due date. I would recommend taking it once just to see what's on it, and then study and take it again. If you aren't satisfied still with your grade, then you have one last try to see if you can get your grade up. Exams, there are 2 exams. You get 1 shot at those only. and those are taken through Canvas because they're proctored, so they must be done at the testing center or through the online proctoring service. And there's some information there on that. Let's see what else they have here. The schedule, that's really important. Every week is discussed here. You know exactly what you're doing every week. All you have to do is look at this schedule. All of these due dates are also in my math lab, in the announcements in my math lab. They'll be emailed to you. And there's also a separate link in my math lab for this schedule, but it's also here in the syllabus. So for example, week 1, you'll need to do the orientation homework, 10.6, 18.1, and using Math to Save Money Module 1. And you also need to return the signed contract to me via email. So there's the schedule. Notice the date of the final, all the exams, everything, and absolutely everything that has a due date will be on the schedule. Here's your contract. There's a student copy first, and then the copy that you print off, put your name, the class you're in, an initial, and then send back to me. You'll sign a date. You send this back to me via email, or you can drop it off. Slide it under my door or bring it to me if I'm in my office hours. That's it. If you have questions on anything, please let me know. I'm happy to discuss things with you, and I'm actually excited to interact with you in our online class. Thanks.